What was our dimension? Tape measure on your
Oh,
phone.
so,
It's in the motor.
12 and
12 and an eighth.
I got that belt in the way.
What belt?
The luggage belt.
Oh, I'm sure the clamp has nothing to do with it either, right? Where's our one at? I think there's one right there. 11 and 7/8. That's pretty close.
Well, you're dealing with this too.
Yeah, I'm worried about that. Precision adjustment there. You like that?
Very precise, sir.
Right.
Can't I just take that off?
What?
This.
I'll just move this over. Where's your number at? I can't see. You're screwing me. 12 and what? It's almost 12 and 8. You can call it 12 and 8 in some places. The other place we call it 12 and 32. Okay, I need a hammer.
Who?
Hammer. Small one. Steel. Right in front of you. Steel hammer. Yeah, that's the one.
Ball pin.
The one on the workbench. Your light's off too. Okay, what's our gap right here? About 1/8 of an inch. What's our gap over here? Less than 1/8 of an inch. Looks like it's going square frontwards to you. No, it's dog leg inward. Looks a lot straighter now. What? What? 1/8 inch? 1/8 inch. What? What do you don't like? What? What?
This is flush. This isn't.
Who says that one was straight?
I don't know.
I'll look at it from the back view.
Okay.
Okay, stupid ass thing says. Okay, see how that goes slightly outward? Is that going slightly outward too?
Yeah.
Or is it straight? Screwdriver straight or slightly outward?
Slightly outward. Same line as the frame.
Same as this one?
A little bit, yeah.
A little bit, yeah, what? Too much or not enough?
I'm gonna put it back over here. Yeah, see this one clears the outside of the frame. This one
These
doesn't.
frames aren't equal.
Okay.
We're looking at the darn straightness.
Yeah, it does flare out.
Okay, how much flare out you got? About that much?
Yeah.
Okay, now on this side, is it flared out or is it straight? About that much, right?
Yep.
Same as the other one. So it's straight. See, I look down the side here. Look down the side of here. Does it look like it's square?
Sure. Yes.
Yes, you're sure. You just agree with everything I say, don't you?
No.
See this? See how that goes in there? See how this one goes in there too? So you're about the same amount. Pretty equal, huh? That one's just not cut square because when it's being held in the Fred's tool over there, DeWalt.
Oh, DeWalt.
See right there, Fred DeWalt tool.
Fred DeWalt.
It didn't hold the darn part square. So when I ground it and deburred it, I didn't change the dimension. I just deburred it, so it's cut at an angle.
So now you take this off and you.
I'm just going to weld the snot out of it. Don't worry about it. After I'm done welding it, it'll be fine. If you look at the overlap over here, they both have about, that might have a 30-second more overlap to it.
After you weld it, do you grind that off
But here,
or leave it?
well, I'm just going to weld the snot out of it. I'm not going to worry about that.
No, I know that, but after you weld it, do you grind that off?
No, not
Oh,
all of it.
okay.
I can clean up a little bit, but not too much. And see our 12 and 8?
Yes.
And we're 1 inch over there, aren't we? The one's in center?
That one, no.
Where's it at? Which way do you need to go? I know which way you want to go with it. My way?
Mm-hmm.
Right there. It's in the center now. My 12/8 still looks good to me. Not helping with the camera. Do you think that's square now?
Yeah.
How about my side? Do you think my 12/8 is square?
Yep.
So we're right on the money?
Right on the money.
Except for the bow in the middle?
So.
Except for the bow in the middle?
Yeah.
So we're 30-second off because of the bow?
At least.
Do you think these springs are going to care about being a 30-second off?
No.
Now where are these at right now? Can't even see the one. I'm like 12 3/8 right now, but when I move it forward it'll be different. This number here looks to be right on 12 or close to it. So if anything, we're a little bit too far out. But I'm okay with that because that clears the frame a little better.
You want to bring this down and see if they match?
With this,
Oh, that's not going to work, huh?
how's it look? This side looks nice, this side looks going out like this. Put this over here like that. Yeah, looks good now. So you look side back view. What are you filming anyway? Filming the side of the fender. Are you happy now?
There you go.
You like that one? Perfect. You know what? I'm just going to go for it. There you go.
Heat her up.
I'm going to go for it and just call it good enough. It's a Harley. It ain't going to matter. It's not for me, so I don't care. Not that we really care for me either. And it's good enough for who it's for. Who's it for? Where am I going to put this where I'm going to be able to weld?
Are you going to weld it right on? You're not taking that over there?
What?
The bracket.
Let's see. Well, I guess I can take it off because we're already done, aren't we? It's removable. Yeah, we can do it over here. Are you happy now?
Yeah, that kind of freaked me out.
You get freaked out easily.
Yeah. And seeing too many things.
Turn the gas on. Gas on. Okay, which helmet we're welding with?
Oh shit.
I don't know anymore. There's two helmets up here. This is the old one. This is the new one.
We're not welding on. I'm not shooting this, am I?
I don't care if you shoot or not. I might be able to see with this. I don't know. We'll find out.
I'm not shooting this.
Okay, I got the bracket all welded up. So, beads all the way around there. Filled up the hole on the inside. Weld it up solid on the back side, so it's like a rosette weld. Get a good penetration on these welds all the way around. And then I want to decide to go ahead and weld the bolt in so I don't have to worry about the bolt falling out. So, now it drops down on the bike here. Put it over the hole it does anyway. Belt's in the way a little bit. Yeah, looking built. Good and solid. Haven't tried it yet. There we go. Yeah, springs like that. Well, how that works and it really works though. I'm going to find out. Try it out. See what happens. Let's see, get this where I can see over here. Camera's a little bit in the way there a little bit. Alright, let's see what happens when we sit on this thing. My guess is it's going to work just fine. We'll find out. So these were a little bit light. They were collapsing all the way. So ideally we get about half to, you're going to come down about a third with my weight on it. It'll probably come down about halfway with my weight on it. With hers about a third. So that gives you 2/3 of movement. You're kind of in the middle of this float, which gives you the most comfortable ride. So that's hopefully it's about where we're going to be. So I was running these on the bottom, but these don't necessarily have to go on the bottom, but probably look better if I put them on there. That way the black paint won't be completely rubbed off. I'll paint that black. Now these will get slightly stiffer as we tighten that down, but for now it is what it is. All right, let's see what we got here. So that's your normal moving around, riding down the bike, down the road. That's probably what it'll be. You get a big bump. It does bottom out. Put all my weight on it. Okay. What's it doing? Full bottom. Feels pretty straight at full bottom. I'll have to play back the video and see what it's really doing, but feels pretty good. I'm happy with that. And when I tighten this up, it'll get a little tighter. It'll gain about 5 or 10% more tension probably when it's restrained. So I'll have to play back the video and see what it's really doing, but it felt like it lined up pretty good. So I'm pretty good with that, I think. All right, so now I need to go ahead and paint this and mount it up on there for real. So I'm going to go ahead and paint it. We'll be back.